HP ProBook 440G 912 generation. Intel Core i7-12555U processor and integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics 4D7R 6th Avenue. 8GB DDR4 3200 PC4 SO DIMM memory, 1 DIMM. 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD. Intel Iris X graphics. The box of the HP laptop only includes a 45-watt charger and backpack. HP ProBook 440 grams 9 that comes with striking features and specifications. You can work for extended working hours with the utmost convenience on this laptop as it comes with a sturdy, full-length, and ergonomically designed standard notebook keyboard. Also, there are zero chances of battery swelling. The dimensions of this laptop are 32.98 x 21, 38 by 1.98 centimeters, and it weighs around 2.18 kg. Hence, you can carry this lightweight and compact laptop in your backtop. A new design that fits modern work styles. The compact, light, slim chassis with aluminum components is easy to carry from place to place. Enjoy an over 87% screen-to-body ratio and a quiet, responsive keyboard. One super-speed USB Type circa 10 gigabits per second signaling rate, USB power delivery, DisplayPort 1.4, 3 super-speed USB Type A 5 gigabits per second signaling rate, 1 charging, 1 power, 1 HDMI 1.4B1 headphone, microphone combo, 1 AC power, 1 RJ45. Included in current configuration: premium spill-resistant keyboard, clickpad with multi-touch gesture support, 14 inches diagonal LED UWVA anti-glare FHD, 1920 by 1080, 250 nits, for HD webcam. Preserve your privacy. Never wonder if someone is watching you with the added peace of mind that comes from the integrated HP privacy camera, with a physical shutter to protect from malicious surveillance. Automatic recovery from firmware attacks. Firmware attacks can completely devastate your PC. Stay protected with HP's self-healing BIOS. HP Sure Start Gen 6 automatically recovers the BIOS from malware, rootkits, or corruption. Multi-layered security protection. HP Wolf Security for Business creates a hardware-enforced, always-on, resilient defense. From the BIOS to the browser, above, in, and below the OS, these constantly evolving solutions help protect your PC from modern threats. Maintenance. The case bottom of the ProBook 440G9 remains in place tightly fixed, even after all the screws have been removed from the bottom. Once you have managed to open the laptop, you can access the working memory and SSD, allowing you to replace or expand them.